Are you looking to convert MSG to text format? We've got you covered. We'll show you 2 easy methods to convert MSG to text. Let's see the manual method to convert MSG to text format. Using the Save As option, go to MSG file location. Right-click on a file, and select Open with Outlook option. Go to File, and click Save As. From Save As type, choose Text Only option. Set destination path, and click Save. Now let's check the Pro method to convert Outlook MSG to text format. That's where the BitRecover MSG Converter Wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our MSG to text converter. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add MSG files or folder containing MSG files. Select the files you want to convert. Choose Text as saving format. Set the destination path. Pick a naming format. And lastly, click Convert. Let's have a look at the comparison between the manual and professional methods. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.